Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your Google Merchant Center ID. Let's begin. Now, before you can find your Merchant Center ID, all you have to do is to log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, finding your Google Merchant Center ID is very simple. All you have to do is locate your Merchant Center ID on the top right corner. You see this? That is going to be your Merchant Center account. You will see a series of numbers. All right, if I click on it, this is going to be your Merchant Center ID. I want you to take notice of that. Save it to a safe place, store it to a document or to a Microsoft Word, and you want to make sure that it is safe because you will need this ID. For example, when linking your Google Merchant Center to other Google services such as Google Ads. All right, the Merchant Center ID is normally required to link your Merchant Center account with a lot of Google services, especially the ads for running shopping campaigns and managing product data. Right? Or if you're setting up integrations or verifying your domain, Google may require the Merchant Center ID to confirm that you own or control the account. Another option that you can do, for example, you can find the Google Merchant Center ID here. Just click on the Manage in Business Manager. What will happen is it would be forwarded to a new page. All right. This would give you the service and the details, and that is the Merchant Center, which has the ID right beneath your business or Merchant Center name. All right. See that? Now, if you encounter any issues with your product data, all right, and you can't find your Google Merchant Center ID right here, it's not showing. There could be a bug or a glitch that's happening, so you need some troubleshooting help from the Google Merchant Center. All you have to do is click on the question mark icon here, go to Help and Center and Support. You would be forwarded here in this section. All right, wait for it. If you can't find the article, go back down below where you can see the Contact Us option. All right, fill out the form, and from here, just tell them you're concerned, and they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. All right. Most of the time, the Merchant Center ID is necessary for tracking product performance, optimizing campaigns, and gathering insights through tools like Google Analytics or even Google Data Studio. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.